Microsoft Immersive Reader is a learning tool for students with dyslexia, which is a condition where students cannot read any text without any reasons. But this tool has some other very interesting and powerful use cases where we have to convert a text into speech. And text-to-speech software are normally very expensive. You have to pay between $20 to $50 per month as a subscription, and you only get a limited number of minutes. While Immersive Reader comes free with many Microsoft applications such as OneNote, Microsoft Word, and Teams. This tool does two very important things. The first is that you can convert any text into audio, but the most powerful thing is that you can also translate any text into another language. And there are a lot of languages available, and the Immersive Reader will translate your text into another language and then read it, and you can save it by capturing the system audio into an audio track. And one of the reasons this tool got my attention is that recently YouTube has announced that the creators will be able to upload audio tracks of their videos in other languages, and when someone who speaks that language will watch their video, the video will automatically be played in that language. This feature is currently only available to big YouTube channels such as Mr. Beast and a few others, but hopefully we will get it soon and we'll be able to grow our audience in other regions of the world. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Immersive Reader using the most popular Microsoft OneNote for Windows 10 application. You can download this free application as well. And I will try to cover maximum features of Immersive Reader in this video. So without further ado, let's get started after a short intro. So the first thing is that you reach out to this website onenote.com/learning tools, and we have Immersive Reader. If I scroll down, these are the applications for which Immersive Reader is available. And this is available for OneNote Online, which comes with Microsoft Office 365, and also with OneNote Universal app, which is also called OneNote for Windows 10. So you can download this straight away from here and you have to install it. It will be an executable file. You simply click on that and it will be installed. And once installed, you will see this icon and you double click on that and it will be opened. Now here I have put the same text in Microsoft Word, and in this View tab, you have this Immersive Reader, and you can click on that and you will get all these tools in a slightly different way than the OneNote, but still you have all the features except the one that I could not find in Word. So therefore I decided to use OneNote for this video, and I will show you in a minute. Now to use Immersive Reader, you put your text on a page and then you click on View and then Immersive Reader. And now you will see a new window with your text and a play button at the bottom. I can straight away click on this play button and it will start reading this text aloud. But first I would like to show you some settings and some other features. So if I click on this voice settings, it's a very simple button. You can control the voice speed and you can choose whether you want a female voice reading this text or a male voice. On the right hand side, we have these three tabs where all the features reside. So first, if I click on reading preferences, the first is line focus. If I turn this feature on, now I will see this one line in highlighted manner. If I click on the second button, 3 lines, and the third button, I think 5 lines focused. The next is picture dictionary. And what it means is that if this feature is on and I click on any word, for example, try, it will try to show me some images. If I click on explain, it will show me few more images. For some words, of course, you will not have any image. Then we can translate this. This feature I will show you at the end. Then there is a feature of reading coach. And what this can do is that if you turn this feature on, now your play button will change to a microphone. And now you can start reading this text and it will show you some improvements that you can do to improve your reading. So this you can do for practicing. If you are a non-native English speaker, you can practice and improve your reading. Now we come to the next tab and this shows us grammar options. And what it means is that if I turn this nouns on, it will show me all the nouns in this color. Similarly, if I turn this verbs on, it will show me all the verbs, adjectives, adverbs, and so on. So this is good for English learners who want to understand what word is a noun or verb or adjective. Similarly for syllables and labels. So let's turn these off. And now the next is text. You can change the text size of your text, and if you click on increase spacing, the spacing will increase for more clarity. By default, you will find Calibri font, but you can choose Sitka, which is the old-fashioned font, or Comic Sans, which is a modern font. You can also choose the themes. For example, this contrast, white text on black background, or black text on yellow background. There are many options available. And now the main two functions of Immersive Reader: text to speech and translation. So first I need to turn off this reading coach to get the play button here. And now if I click on play,
we are trying to find a percentage change. We have two original value, initial value.
It will start reading the text, and you can change the speed if you want. For example, if I increase the speed,
and a new value, you can call it a final value.
And now the last thing is, let's translate this text and get the audio. So I have selected my native language, which is Urdu, and I select this whole document. So almost instantly I get the translation, not only the translation of my text, but now I can get the audio as well by clicking on the play button.
इस मुख्तसर वीडियो में मैं ये वजाहत करने की कोशिश करूंगा कि फीसद तब्दीली के लिए एक्सेल फार्मूला क्या है.
And as you can see that how powerful this could be. We can record this system audio by using some other app, for example OBS Studio, and we can get the audio track of our text. So in order to create audio tracks of our YouTube videos in other languages, we simply need to first get the transcript of our video in English, for example, bring it here, translate into any language, get the audio, capture the system audio in OBS, and you got the audio track of YouTube video. So I will make a separate video for that process when we get that feature available in our YouTube Studio. So that is it for today. I hope you liked this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you next time.